Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to integrate Zapier with WordPress. So let's get started. So now here we are in Zapier, and you can connect WordPress here, or you could also do the WordPress to Zapier if you'd want. But in this tutorial, we'll just be going with Zapier to WordPress first. So what you need to do is you can click here on Explore Apps, and then from here you can just search for WordPress. And then you would have the WordPress result right here. So you want to click on that. And then you will now be able to do it right here. So you can click here on Connect WordPress right here to 7,000 plus apps. So yeah, you can also add apps other than WordPress right here. So now once you're here in Zapier, what you need to do first is to connect your WordPress account right here so that it would be integrated to your WordPress account or website. So click here on sign in. This is the first thing that you need to do, and just log in with your WordPress account right here. You'd need to have the login URL right here, provide that username and password and so on. And yeah, that is how you do it if you want a Zapier to WordPress. And now on the other hand, if you'd like to do the WordPress to Zapier, you need to go here into your WordPress account, go click here on plugins, and just search here for Zapier in the plugins marketplace. And then you'd have Zapier for WordPress here, click on that, and click on install right here. But in my case, I wouldn't be able to do that because my account isn't upgraded. But this is a much simpler way because you would be redirected to Zapier right away and you don't have to log in with your WordPress account. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.